Namaste. Now I am teaching Sarvangasana. Sarva means all, Anga means parts of the body, Asana means posture. It cures all kinds of problems in all parts of the body, hence the name. It also called mother of the asanas. There is mother with the child, there is no fear. Similarly, if there is Sarvangasana with practice, no fear of health. This asana prevents problems which one get through gravitation force, like hair falling, ear and eye problems, sinusitis, etc. Who should not do this? Person, one who is suffering from high BP, high blood pressure, should not do this. And person who is suffering from severe eye problems like major retina problems, etc., should not do this. And person who is suffering from running ears also should not do this. Pregnant women should not do this, and women during menstruation should not perform this asana. Person, one who has undergone bypass surgery and surgery of back and neck, should not do Sarvangasana. Now I'll show you two stages. One is primary stage of Sarvangasana. It's called Ardha Sarvangasana also. No limitation for this. All of them can practice. Just keeping your legs on the wall. Very easy to practice. Good for ENT problems, sinusitis, tonsillitis, burning sensation and pain of the throat, hair falling, cardiac trouble, respiratory disorders, stomach upset and stomach disorders, piles, fissure, varicose veins, elephantiasis, etc. Very good for all kinds of problems. Sarvangasana makes the skin shine. It prevents wrinkling on the skin before the old age. This is one of the reasons many film actors are practicing Sarvangasana without miss. It's good for blackish around the eyes. You should practice daily. Duration is 2 minutes. First, you should lie on the back like this. Then exhale and raise the legs up. Keep it on the wall. Halak chin mudra in hands. Keep the head straight. Breathe normally for 2 minutes. Then exhale and take the legs down. Relax for 30 to 60 seconds. Then come up gently. When you keep the head down, the blood will flow for the head. It will store the blood in the head portion. After completing that asana, you should allow the blood to flow back. So you should relax at least 30 to 60 seconds after completing that, even in advanced asana also. And for learning advanced asana, you can use this technique. You should keep your legs on the wall first, then fold the legs, exhale and raise up the waist like this. Then take the left leg front. Then take your right leg also front. Gradually I can take like this. While releasing, just keep your legs on the wall. Then you can release. Should relax for 30 to 60 seconds, then you should come up. Now I'll show you advanced position of the Sarvangasana. You should lie on the back, join the legs, hands by side of the body, rest your palms on the ground. Inhale, rise up the legs 90 degrees. Exhale and take the legs back. Hold the trunk, then gradually raise the legs up.
Shoulder stand puts pressure on the neck and can lead to a strain from overstretching. This can lead to discomfort, pain, and injury. One should not practice if one is suffering from cervical spondylitis.
Hold the pose for 2 minutes with normal breathing. Then exhale, take the legs back. Come to the Shavasana pose and relax. We'll store the blood in the head portion in the position. So you should allow it to flow back after completing this. You should relax for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Now you should practice Matsyasana. You should practice Matsyasana after completing Sarvangasana. You won't get pain of the neck or any other problems if you do Matsyasana after doing Sarvangasana. How to do Matsyasana? Put Padmasana or fold the legs. Rest your palms on the ground by side of the head. Exhale and raise the chest up and rest your crown on the ground. Hold the legs. Rest your elbows on the ground. Stay for 30 to 60 seconds with deep breathing. Then exhale, come to the Shavasana pose and relax. Practice Sarvangasana and Matsyasana in a sequence and get all these benefits. If there is God with us, no fear for anything, any ups and downs of the life. We will say, hey, God is with me. Similarly, if there is yoga with you, there is no fear of health. Practice yoga daily and get complete benefits. Happy time.